Hello, I'm Dandy, and I heard you pirated Dandy's World. Piracy is a serious crime according to the copyright law, and it will send you to prison. Please exit out of Roblox or else I will get mad. You didn't listen to me, and now I'm mad. You pirated Dandy's World. As I said again, exit Roblox now. Oh, so you ignored me? I will show you what to not ignore.
Criminals are prohibited in Dandy's World. Dandy's World is made for players and not criminals. Exit Roblox, or else you will regret what happened.
This is what you get for pirating my game. Oh well, you deserved it. See you in 5 years.